Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, my favorite week of the month, and we are doing the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is what is in the kit. It is called Sparkling Celebrations, and we're making, with the kit, you can make 3 each of 3 different designs, and there's 3 different designs of envelopes as well. You've got your full color instructions with your measuring tape down the side, and this one, the top is in centimeters, the bottom is in inches, so you're good to go there. And we've got a Misty Moonlight Stampin' spot. We've got our stamps, and they say, time to celebrate, you're invited, wishing you happiness, and then we've got our firework starbursts there. We've got some bling and some mini dimensionals. We've got some tear and tape. We've got our envelopes, and again, there are 3 different designs of the envelopes, so might make some envelope gift bags out of those. They're always a favorite. And then we've got these card bases, and these are absolutely begging to be cut in half and put on regular cardstock card bases so that we can double the number of cards we can make. We've got our die cuts for those ones. And then we've got that card base with our kind of French window die cuts. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is our other card base. Again, cutting it down, putting it onto regular cardstock. We've got more die cuts here, and then our greeting die cuts. And that's the kit. That is our May 2026 Sparkling Celebrations Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned. I will make 1 video each for the project, and then an alternate video, and then there'll be 1 alternate every day this week up to and including Friday. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for project number 1.